Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfreeze your TikTok account. So the reason that your account of TikTok may be freeze is that you violated the community guidelines of TikTok. This may include you using third-party applications to grow your followers, or you using other creators' video on your own account. Now to fix the problem on unfreeze, you need to report this problem directly to TikTok. So to do that, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. From here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on report a problem. Now in report, there is no separate section of freeze account, so you need to scroll down to the bottom and tap on submit a report. Now here in the report section, you can type in the problem that you're facing. So you can type in something like this, and you can even add in more and include a detailed problem. After you've written your problem, you can tap on submit. Now after you have submitted the report, TikTok should contact you on your email within a few days, and they should help you out in unfreezing your account of TikTok. So that's the only way that you can try to unfreeze your account of TikTok, by reporting a problem directly to them. So if you guys liked and found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, subscribe and also turn on the notifications. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.